Hello to all our followers. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. I just want to show you everything that we got at the shop ready for you guys for the holidays. But I wanted to talk at the same time on something regarding our YouTube channel. You guys all heard probably about what's going on with the government, with the COPPA, claiming that everything that we show in our channels is for kids. So I want to go over and just kind of make it easier for everybody that actually have other YouTube channel regarding all the RC stuff. Any RC cars that we sell, any model airplane that we sell, any remote that we sell, usually we'll have some lettering on the side from the FCC claiming that you have to be 14 or older to use. You cannot use it if you are not 14 or older. Now let me show you something, even the smallest drone. Okay, let's go here to one of the boxes. Please pay attention here. Please, lawyers and other people that see this, please comment about it, because this is very important. On the boxes of any RC, those are hobby grade, not the toy. It's a not for children under 14 years, okay? This is not a toy. So if someone decided to categorize those vehicles as toys, okay, they are not a toy. This is actually, let's flip it. This is a Ryzen Hobby Rock Crawler. So my videos and everything I do intend for adult. And I just wanted to show you, because anything that you're going to buy radio controlled, anything that you advertise radio controlled, is for ages 14 and over. This is one. Second of all, none of those vehicles that you sell can get purchased by a 14 years old. If a 14 years old will come to your business and try to buy it, obviously it's a big no-no without the parents that actually will be there to approve it. So they should actually hold the parents accountable. Now, let's go to a super toy here. This is a complete RC toy. This is like one of those very small toy that is completely not really a RC, but it's more like something to put on your table. And let's look real quick over here, because it's have the same regulation, because it's an FCC regulation that's saying that everything that is radio control, you have to be 14 or older to use. Okay, and let's see, this is this one. I know that it's inside the box 100%, but yeah, it's here. But the problem is that it's an area that you cannot really see it. It's all kind of scrambled, so it's a little bit problem to see. Anyway, by the FCC book that there is inside of those tin, it said that you need to be 14 or older in order to use it. And actually, look, again, another boat. This is the RC boat. This is not a toy. Whoops. Age 14 and over. So everything that you will see will say age 14 and over, for a very simple reason, because the FCC don't want people that are under this age to use those things. So your videos should be safe, and we should all get together and fight it. This is a very important fight, because this is where they're just trying to milk our hard-working money. So that's being said, right now YouTube trying to actually comply with the COPPA stupid rules. That's saying that they're gonna try to whatever happened, that they took some information about kids and was trying to sell stuff to kids. I don't see any wrong doing that. I think the blame should be on the parents, not about the people that put in the contact, not about the creators. But for example, those F-16 right there, they have big on the box, have to be 14 or older to use. Anything else that we sell here, you have to be 14 and older to use. Everything that I show you guys, it's designed for older people. If someone wants to buy it for their kids or show the video to their kids, it's their responsibility, not ours. So just real quick view what we got at the stores over here. Again, all the stuff we sell is for adult. It's not for kids. I'm not going to change my channel. If they think that they're going to give us $42,000 ticket and we're going to pay it, they can forget about it, because we're not going to do that. We have the RC boats, high-speed boats right now for the holidays. We have all those great Horizon vehicle, whatever you need for kind of any price range. I got this here due to a lot of requests, all the Team Losi cars. I have here a bunch of the Team Losi vehicles, and I have some more over there and there and there. We got some of the ECX that they are entry level, so they're great. We got HPI Racing for people who want to compete. We got a little bit bigger Horizon Hobby Team Losi, and we have of course also the Obeo Hyper, and we have all the speedrun cars. Those are going about, you know, it's designed to go 100+ miles an hour. Definitely not for your kids. We have over here the drones. What's going on with the drones is completely a different story right now. With FAA decided that those things should not be legal anywhere, and going and keep closing all the flying field. Another ridiculous thing. So if you buy one of those and they weigh less than 250 grams, you can fly it anywhere. Those are toys. If you get a ticket, argue your ticket that you're playing with a toy, you're not filming, you were not working in the film industry. So nobody should actually be able to go and blame you that you're making money out of it and try to give you a fine. It's getting more and more ridiculous. Everything related to the hobby getting completely destroyed lately. I'm trying to make a small video about what I have in my store, and I have to justify why everything I sell here is not for kids. Even the fuel, this is highly toxic, should definitely not be for your kids. If I'm showing it here, obviously your kids can see it and say, oh, I will drink it, so don't show it to your kids. Anyway, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Kind of like a little bit stupid video today, showing a couple of the things here, and my other side of my business, of course, if you know, it's all the motorcycle gear. Definitely not for your kids. It's for adults that can have a license and able to actually drive. And then I got all those cool airplane. The fluorescent light is right in it. There is an Osprey, there is a SR-22, and a couple other cool airplanes. And my entire ceiling is full of airplanes. And I have all the other motorcycle jacket, and so you guys more than welcome to come to my shop and support us. This is just a quick video regarding what's going on, what's bothering us right now, all the BS that we're getting from government official every day, taking different rules. Let me just put seed something in your heads. Drones. The fact that FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, got into those things, and nobody opened their mouth and say, okay, if they got into this, the FAA, to guy playing with a toy, next thing, because none of you guys said anything, will be that those cars gonna need to register at the DMV. And some of you would laugh and say, wow, this guy's an idiot. No, I'm not. I know what I'm talking about. This is how things start. We have to start fighting for our hobby. So if you go and buy something this year, make sure you know all the rules. Make sure you're going to be safe with it. And even if you watch some videos online, give support to whoever you watch the videos. Share them and subscribe to the channel, because right now the fight is just starting. YouTube and the COPPA going to try to destroy everybody and take all their money. If you just want to understand, they're going to give people tickets. $42,000. It's more than people make in 1 year. Actually, in some mid-state in the United States, you can buy a house for this much money. So I want to know where the money go. Maybe instead of it, they should just make it 18 and older, like any adult website, and prevent kids from going and see that. Because the kids cannot purchase anything anyway, so it should be the parents' responsibility. This is my kind of 10 cents about the thing, with advertisement for my business, and just telling everybody that yes, those toys are for 14 and older, so nobody gonna try to monetize my business as a kid friendly. Kids not welcome here without their parents, as simple as that. You should not send your kid, if they are less than 14 or 15 years old, to a hobby shop to buy stuff without you being there. Be responsible. See you in my next video. Sorry I was have to do that. It just got to a point that my blood was boiling from what's going on in the hobby today. Thank you. Bye-bye.